Did you know there's a simple way to make $500 to $1,000 every single day using just Google Maps and some clever strategies? It's a hidden gold mine that most people overlook, but if you're tired of struggling to find an easy and effective way to earn online, this method could be your answer. Imagine helping businesses solve their biggest challenges like poor visibility or managing their customers better, and getting paid handsomely for it. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can use this strategy to create a steady income stream. Businesses benefit, you profit. It's a win-win. I'll show you how to identify clients who are eager for help, pitch your services effectively, and even automate the process to make this hustle scalable. This isn't just about making money. It's about tapping into a global opportunity that most people are completely unaware of. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start turning Google Maps and AI into your personal money-making machine. Let's dive in. The first step is to start with Google Maps. Open it up and pick a location to target. This method works worldwide, so you've got endless options. For this example, let's focus on the United States. Once you've chosen a location, think of a category, like beauty salons, plumbers, or cafes, and search for it. Google Maps will show you a list of businesses in that category. Now here's the trick. Look for businesses with incomplete profiles, few reviews, or low rankings. These businesses are often struggling to stand out and need help. This is where you come in. Once you've identified potential clients, it's time to get organized. Create a simple Google Sheet and include columns like business name, contact info, email, phone, website, and current reviews or ratings. For instance, if you're targeting beauty salons, click on their profiles, grab their contact details, and add them to your spreadsheet. This step ensures you're prepared and ready to connect with these businesses effectively. Now comes the fun part, offering your services. Many small businesses struggle with managing calls, booking appointments, or responding to customer messages. With AI tools, don't worry, I'll share my favorites in the description. You can provide solutions that automate these tasks. Imagine this. A busy massage therapist misses calls and loses potential clients. By setting up an AI-powered assistant, their calls are answered, appointments booked, and customers handled professionally, all without them lifting a finger. Reaching out to these businesses is easier than you think. A friendly email or message can make all the difference. For example, subject: let's boost your business together. Hi, business name. I noticed your profile on Google Maps and saw an opportunity to help you attract more customers. Did you know businesses with optimized profiles and faster response times can double their bookings? I specialize in setting up AI-powered assistants that handle calls, book appointments, and respond to customer messages, all at a fraction of the cost of hiring someone. Let's schedule a quick chat to explore how this can work for you. Best, your name. You don't need to sound overly formal. Be yourself and show genuine interest in helping them succeed. When a business is ready to work with you, you've got two ways to deliver. You can outsource the work by using platforms like Fiverr to find experts who can set up AI tools. Simply charge your clients a higher rate and pocket the difference as profit. Alternatively, you can learn to do it yourself, which gives you more control and potentially higher earnings. Don't worry. I'll include links to helpful resources below to guide you. Once you've successfully worked with a few clients, it's time to scale. Expand into different niches like restaurants, gyms, or real estate, and target other cities or countries. The more businesses you help, the more money you make. With AI handling much of the work, you'll have the time and flexibility to grow your operation into a full-fledged business. And that's it, a simple, beginner-friendly way to make money online using Google Maps and AI. It's globally scalable, requires minimal effort, and has tremendous earning potential. All you need is a bit of creativity and determination to get started. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.